Welcome to Nehan Drawing!
Let's get started on a brand new day, with a pencil in our hand and a smile to stay. Big blue sky and a world so wide. We'll mail our might, we'll make it shine with all our might. Draw a line, nice and round. Magic colors we have found. One big curve from left to right. Now our world is feeling bright. Feeling bright. Add some rings and make them white. All the colors wait inside. Draw some puffy clouds so sweet, sitting down at the rainbow's feet. Sitting down at the rainbow's feet. Red like apples, orange like the sun. Orange like the sun. Yellow is for flowers when the day is done. When the day is done. Green for grass and blue for rain. Purple like the flowers in the window pane. Draw a line, nice and round. Magic colors we have found. One big curve from left to right. Now our world is shining bright. Shining bright. Look at what we made today. 7 colors in a row. Your art is bright and your heart is too. Keep that magic inside of you. Let's get our paper and our yellow pencil too. We'll draw a big curved line, just me and you. Another little line to make it wide. A happy art to hold the colors deep inside. See how it curves, see how it grows. See how it curves, see how it grows. We're making magic where the sunshine goes. Now add some zigzag stars up near the top. Little points of light that we will never stop. And fluffy bumpy clouds on either side, like 2 soft pillows where the light can hide. 1, 2, 3, the shapes are coming through. I'm so proud of what you're starting to do. I'm so proud of what you're starting to do. Oh, Pick up your yellow pencil and draw a big, long curve, like a giant bridge across the sky. See how it has a swerve. Now make another line just below, keeping them has a swerve. Now make another line just below, keeping them close and neat. This is the start of our rainbow. Doesn't it look so sweet? Rainbow colors, one by one, one by one. A magic art for everyone. Red and orange, yellow too, green and purple, sparkly blue. Fill them in with every shade. Look at the beautiful art we've made. Beautiful art. Draw some happy puffy clouds at each end of the line. Shape them like two little flowers. Won't they look so fine? Add some twinkling little stars inside the rainbow bands. The magic twinkling little stars inside the rainbow bands. The magic of the rainbow is right here in your hands. Rainbow colors, one by one, one by one. A magic art for everyone. Red and orange, yellow too, green and purple, sparkly blue. Fill them in with every shade. Look at the beautiful art we've made. Beautiful art. Give your rainbow faces too, a smile that's big and bright. One little eye, two little eyes, shining with the light. Now get your brush and colors, let the rainbow start to glow. Red and orange, yellow, green, and the purple down below. It looks so perfect. Wow.